Welcome back to Evelyn the Advocate. I am Dr. Evelyn Denise Hemphill, and this channel exists because your story and mine deserves to be heard. Let's get right into it. After 12 years of faithful marriage to a man who abused me in every way except the one most visible, I had an affair. I'm not going to minimize that, but I want you to understand the context. My self-worth had been systematically dismantled for over a decade. I started making choices from a place of profound depletion. When the affair was discovered, my second footstool took us on a pre-planned anniversary trip to Charleston, South Carolina, where we had a wonderful time. He then came back home and served me with divorce papers. The mask was off. He had been planning this the whole time. Legal abuse is the use of the legal system to intentionally cause emotional suffering in another person. My second footstool partnered with the man I had the affair with, possibly paying him for information, and brought him into court as a witness against me. My first attorney failed to appear at the temporary hearing. I stood before the court alone. Everything I brought against my ex-husband was considered alleged. Everything he brought against me was corroborated by a possibly paid witness. I lost temporary custody of my child. I was ordered to leave the marital home, and I had received nothing in return for 12 years of faithfulness and sacrifice. Legal abuse is a documented form of post-separation abuse. When an abuser uses the court system to continue to harass and control an individual after the relationship ends, that is an extension of the abuse by other means. Name it that way. Document everything from the first moment of a legal proceeding. Dates, times, what was said, what was filed. Certified mail creates a time-stamped record of every communication. Never rely on memory alone. An attorney who fails to appear may have committed legal malpractice, and there is a process for that. File with your state's local disciplinary council. File for free. File fee disputes. Know your rights, even against the people hired to protect them. When the abuser cannot control you anymore, they try to make the system control you for them. Knowing this is a pattern, not a coincidence. It is the beginning of your defense. In the next episode, we go inside the courtroom, the trial, the guardian ad litem who never stepped foot inside my apartment, the attorneys who failed me one by one, and how the South Carolina family court system granted custody of my child to the man who abused me. Trials and tribulations inside the courtroom where the system sided with my abuser.